Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Node.js for React Native development on Windows. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the official Node.js website. In your browser, type in nodejs.org and press enter. You will see two main download options. Choose the LTS version for stability. Click on the download link for Windows. The installer will begin downloading. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the installer file to run it. A setup wizard will open. Click the Next button to continue. Read and accept the license agreement. Click Next to proceed. Choose the installation location or leave it as default, then click Next. On the Select Components screen, ensure that all components are checked. Click Next to continue. You'll then see an option for installing tools for native modules. Check this box if you wish to install these tools. Click Next to proceed with the installation. After that, click the Install button to start the installation process. A user account control window may appear, asking for permission. Click Yes to allow the installation to proceed. Wait for the installation to complete. Once finished, click the Finish button to exit the setup wizard. To confirm installation, open the command prompt. Press the Windows key, type cmd, and hit enter. In the command prompt, type Node v and press enter. If installed correctly, you will see the Node.js version number. Next, type npm v and press enter. This command checks for the npm version, which should also display a number. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.